Welcome back to Dad Deals. Here are the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight in December 2025. There are a ton of coupons and deals going on at Harbor Freight right now. So first off, their Black Friday sale has been extended through the weekend. So if you missed out on any of those deals, you now have until Sunday. You do need to show a coupon to get that discount price. So this is your one last chance to pick up any of those items. Definitely go check out any of my videos that I did covering the sale if you need a refresher. But there are a bunch of other new coupons that just dropped that I want to get into in this video. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. So sit back, relax, and let's check out the deals. So first up, they have 20% off all of their Bauer tool belts and accessories. And there's a bunch of accessories here, so you can really configure your tool pouch or tool belt however you want it. I actually think these Bauer accessories are a pretty sleeper item over at Harbor Freight. They just have such a great selection. All this stuff is 20% off. All right, next up, we have the 1 gallon Fortress Ultra Quiet air compressor. This is ultra portable, has a nice comfort grip handle at the top, can reach 135 PSI. And this is on sale for $130. You also have some really nice air hose reels on sale. Here's the Merlin. This is your 50-foot premium retractable air hose reel at $80. That's 20% off. And then if you really want to step things up, here is the Earthquake industrial grade air hose, also 50 feet at $140. The Merlin air blow gun with the extensions, it's a 5-piece set here, is just $7. It's that time of year with the fluctuating temperatures that the air pressure in your tires is probably fluctuating a lot. And these portable tire inflators have gotten really good and really cheap, so there really is no excuse not to have one on hand. Here's the Pittsburgh version, has an LED light built into it, and it's just $13. If you really want to step up your emergency roadside game, here's the Viking 1700 watt car jump starter and has a 150 PSI air compressor built into it, so you're good whether you have a dead battery or a flat tire. Can also use this as a power bank, has built-in lights to it, and it's $170. And then to round out your roadside emergency kit, you can pick up this tire repair kit from Pittsburgh. It's a 9-piece set, not the greatest kit in the world, but can get you out of an emergency, and it's just $4. All right, next up from Hallmaster, we have this heavy-duty coupler lock. So it comes with a nice keyed lock here to keep your trailer safe, and this is $20. You also have the cargo carrier. Now, this is not the fold-up one, but it's just $45. Can free up a ton of space in your car on road trips. Next up is the Jupiter 2000 watt continuous or 4000 peak watt power inverter. So you can hook this up to your car's battery, maybe run a trailer if you're in a parade, run the lights, everything that you need to. And this is on sale for $130. Here's a pretty practical item. It's on sale. This is your first alert 2.5-pound garage and workshop fire extinguisher. So if you don't have one, if your one you have might be old, take this as your reminder to get a new one. This is on sale for just $20. Here's a nice framing hammer, has that waffle tip on it from Pittsburgh Pro at $9. Also a nice pry bar set here with some nice comfort grips. A 3-piece set for just $6. A dual flex ratchet from Pittsburgh. This is your 3/8-inch drive, of course, lifetime warranty with Pittsburgh. These can be really nice to have at $12. You also have an extendable telescoping adjustable wrench here from Pittsburgh. Can go 12 inches to 16 inches, and it's $16. Zip ties are a pretty common thing for people to carry in their truck or in their everyday carry bag, but these extra long ones can be really nice to throw in there. These are also UV resistant, and it's a 10-pack for just $1.79. Some batteries on sale. These are often used maybe in Christmas ornaments that you just got out, or any Christmas decorations might need these. You get a nice assortment set here, so you'll have a little bit of each size, and this is just $4. A heat shrink tubing assortment, a 9-piece set for just 99 cents. I love this camping table. It's on sale for $20, available in blue or green, folds up nice and compact, has the recessed cup holders, which is really nice. And it's just a nice big table to use tailgating, camping, really for anything. Has the storage in the middle too. And it just sets up and tears down super fast. Next up is the Warrior Rotary Tool Accessory Set. This is a 276-piece set, comes in a nice case. Sometimes I like getting a set like this where it kind of gives you a little bit of everything so you can see what you actually use and run out of, and then replace it with maybe a little bit higher quality accessories. But get you this at the start to see what you actually might use with your rotary tool. Some nice discounts on some batteries. This is your Bauer 20-volt 3-amp-hour high-capacity battery. It is almost half off the normal price at $35. You also have the Hercules 5-amp-hour extended performance batteries that are about 33% off at $50. So a nice time to maybe stock up on batteries if you're in any of those systems. Your hardwood dolly is on sale for $23. I've mentioned this before, but I actually used mine with my Tough Built Stack Tech system so I can roll it around my shop or garage. They make one for it, specifically for it, but I was able to 3D print the cleats and use this for much cheaper. I think they went around $100 for the Tough Built one. This cost me just $23 and some 3D printed filament, but I'm sure you could do that with almost any modular toolbox system on the market, but also just a ton of uses for these. These are really nice. Next up is the 14-gallon shop vac from Bauer. You're getting all the accessories that you need, an extra filter, and this set is $100. A nice long 72-inch level is just $10. These Bauer crates, now this works with the Bauer modular toolbox system, but you really don't have to be part of that system to get use out of this. This is just a nice crate here, and it's $20. If you got one of those 5-drawer mechanics carts for $200 during Black Friday, or you score one this weekend, you can get the side tray for it that matches perfectly with it on sale for $20. A 6-piece plastic clamp set here at just 89 cents. That's a great price. You also have these wooden puzzle sets. I've done a lot of these with my kids. They're actually pretty fun. They make nice decorations for a schoolroom or playroom or anything like that. They're just $1, and they really have a lot of cool designs. Also $1 are these steel spring clamps. These are great to take camping with you, hold down tablecloths, anything like that. Tons of uses for these, always good to have on hand, just $1 each. Some drawer organizers are just $5. All right, these next deals are for ITC members. That's the Inside Track Club only. They just dropped a ton of coupons for ITC, and these are going to be good all the way through the month of December until January 1st. So first up is the US General. This is your full bank service cart. 6 drawers here, $100 off at $500. You also have the Bauer 2000 PSI 1.3 gallons per minute electric pressure washer on sale for $160. Some flap discs from Hercules are 50% off, so it makes them just $6, and it pretty much covers all the ones under that Hercules brand, so they're top level of flap discs. So if you use them, stock up on them now. You also have the Warrior angle grinder. I use one of these paired up with one of those flap discs to always sharpen my lawnmower blades. And this angle grinder is the target price at just $10. I promise you it is worth $10. The Franklin utility carts now come in the color black, which I think just looks a lot more sleek than the old gray color that just had that industrial look to them. I think the black would look a lot better in your garage or shop. And these are just $99 or $100. A nice 6-piece plier set from Pittsburgh on sale for just $10. Also a comfort grip screwdriver set, 12-piece set, also from Pittsburgh at $5. We're really getting into the winter time. So if you have a lawn tractor or a car that you seldomly use, anything like that, and you want to maintain that battery, get one of these float chargers through the wintertime so it'll be ready to go in spring and summertime. This is just $15 for this deluxe version. And really the deluxe version just means it comes with this extra set here that you can permanently mount to the battery, so you can just quick connect into this float charger whenever you need to. It's also Christmas light season, of course. Here's a nice triple tap outlet extension at just $3. Your Bauer modular toolbox is your small parts organizer here, $30. A nice detail sander here from Bauer at just $20. Of course, with the cold temperatures, here's your 30,000 BTU, sort of old school dual head propane tank top heater at $60. You also have this nice 18,000 lumen LED work light with a tripod from Braun at $100. Soft shackles are really nice and easy and quick to use if you do a lot of off-roading. Here's the one from Badland on sale for $30. You also have these really nice steel sawhorses, easy to fold up and store out of the way. This is $20 for each. If you hang your Christmas lights with a staple gun, sort of Clark Griswold style, check out this 4-volt battery-powered stapler at just $35. You also have the Hercules impact driver bit set, a 45-piece set here. Really nice bits at $17. The popular 10mm replacement set for any of your sockets is on sale for $10. The Quinn 10-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver, a nice multi-bit screwdriver here from Quinn, a really good quality at just $5. Some nice safety glasses. These are their premium safety glasses from Ranger at $7. And then last up, I'll leave you with this best quality of their paint brushes and paint rollers. This is their paint kit. Comes with tray liners, rollers, brushes, pads, all for $10. All right, those are your deals for December. As always, if you find my videos helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys next time on Dad Deals.